What if you could capture stunning photos and cinematic videos without carrying a bulky camera bag? Compact cameras are back and they're more powerful than ever. Today, we're counting down the 5 best compact cameras that deliver outstanding image quality, portability, and value. Whether you're a traveler, vlogger, or everyday photographer, there's a perfect camera on this list for you. Stick around until the end, because our number 1 pick might surprise you. If you want to check the latest prices and get more details about these compact cameras, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Number 5. CCD8X Compact Camera. Step into the world of creative photography with a camera that's compact, intelligent, and bursting with modern potential. Designed with beginners and casual photographers in mind, this 4K CCD8X digital zoom compact camera offers a perfect blend of simplicity and performance. Every capture feels exciting and effortless, allowing anyone to experience the thrill of creating high-quality photos and videos. Whether you're exploring street scenes, capturing family moments, or experimenting with artistic selfies, this camera makes the process feel natural and rewarding. The 2.4-inch high-definition flip screen is the gateway to intuitive shooting. It rotates smoothly to let you frame shots from unique angles or take perfectly composed selfies with ease. Beginners will love how simple it feels, while more experienced users will appreciate its range of creative tools. The 8X digital zoom brings distant subjects closer without losing clarity, and the built-in filters and beauty modes give every image a polished finish. When inspiration strikes, switch to video mode and record in crisp 1080p resolution, making your everyday scenes look cinematic and full of life. Beyond just capturing visuals, this device is packed with surprising extras that add fun to every moment. Enjoy built-in games, MP3 playback, and OTG file transfer for quick sharing or storage. The lightweight ABS and metal construction ensures it feels solid yet portable, small enough to slip into a pocket or travel bag without worry. Measuring only 11.7 by 6.4 by 2.9 centimeters, it's ideal for students, travelers, or anyone who wants a compact companion for creative expression on the go. With a 48-megapixel image sensor that delivers remarkable detail and color accuracy, each photo bursts with vibrant tones and natural depth. The included accessories Type-C adapter, lanyard, card reader, and charging cable make it ready to use straight from the box, ensuring convenience and confidence from the very first shot. The rechargeable 800 mAh battery keeps your adventures powered longer, allowing you to focus on moments that matter. This is more than just a gadget, it's a gateway to visual storytelling. From classroom projects to travel vlogs, from casual portraits to artistic shots, the CCD8X compact camera makes every click feel inspired. Its balance of portability, style, and power transforms photography into something everyone can enjoy. Number 4. Boblov UHD Pro Compact Camera. Capture life's most dynamic moments with a compact powerhouse that fits effortlessly into your daily routine. The Boblov UHD Pro Compact Camera, also known as the W4 Mini Body Camera, brings exceptional clarity, convenience, and creativity together in one sleek design. Built for travelers, bikers, professionals, and everyday explorers, this camera makes recording vivid 2K footage as simple as a single click. Every detail, every expression, every experience is captured in stunning high definition, turning ordinary moments into lasting visual stories. Weighing just 50 grams, the W4 redefines portability. Its feather-light build ensures you can clip it to your shirt, strap it around your neck, or carry it discreetly without feeling burdened. The 360-degree rotatable back clip gives you total flexibility to find the perfect angle, while the magnetic neck strap offers hands-free comfort for on-the-go recording. Whether you're cycling through scenic routes, walking through the city, or documenting a day at work, this camera stays secure and ready for action. Simplicity lies at the heart of its design. The one-click recording function eliminates all complications, allowing even beginners to start filming instantly. From meetings to mountain rides, from daily commutes to casual adventures, the Boblov UHD Pro captures everything with precision and ease. The ultra-wide recording perspective ensures nothing important slips away, while the compact body remains discreet enough for natural, spontaneous moments. Powered by an 800 mAh battery, the camera provides 90 to 120 minutes of uninterrupted recording, just enough to document your experiences without worrying about frequent recharges. It's the perfect blend of endurance and efficiency for modern lifestyles that demand mobility. The set includes all the essentials: a back clip, magnetic strap, adapter, card reader, data cable, and user manual, giving you everything you need to start right out of the box. Every frame comes alive with crisp detail and lifelike color, bringing a professional edge to your personal footage. The Boblov UHD Pro compact camera isn't just a recording device, it's a storytelling tool designed to empower creators, professionals, and adventurers alike. With its balance of quality, portability, and effortless operation, it turns every outing into an opportunity to capture the extraordinary. Number 3. Weou Compact Camera. Adventure meets innovation in the Weou Compact Camera, a sleek 4K mini-thumb camera built for those who crave action, movement, and the freedom to record life from any perspective. Designed for sports enthusiasts, travelers, and creators, this Wi-Fi-enabled bodycam transforms every thrilling moment into cinematic clarity. Its ultra-compact frame hides impressive power with an infusion of advanced image stabilization, waterproof design, and crystal-clear 4K video recording that captures your world in extraordinary detail. Engineered with the Novatech 96680 processor, the camera delivers smooth 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, ensuring every motion feels fluid and lifelike. Whether you're racing down a mountain trail, diving into underwater exploration, or filming an outdoor event, the Weou Compact Camera maintains sharpness and color accuracy with remarkable precision. Its 130-degree wide-angle lens expands your view, allowing you to capture breathtaking scenes that mirror the intensity of real life. The optional waterproof case pushes the limits even further, protecting your camera up to 30 meters deep, making it an incredible companion for water sports, diving, or rainy adventures. With IP65 waterproof protection even without the case, this camera thrives in unpredictable conditions. Despite its durable structure, it weighs under 100 grams, small enough to fit comfortably in your hand or mount easily on helmets, bikes, and gear without slowing you down. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth add a layer of seamless connectivity. You can control the camera remotely, transfer footage instantly, or stream videos directly to your devices for quick editing and sharing. The electronic image stabilization ensures smooth, shake-free footage, keeping your recording stable even when you're on the move. With a powerful 1000 mAh battery, the Weou Compact Camera can record continuously for about 3 hours, long enough to capture entire journeys or action sequences without interruption. Though small, it's incredibly versatile, supporting up to 256 GB of expandable storage through microSD cards. Its multilingual interface covers over a dozen languages, making it accessible for users around the world. Whether you're a professional filmmaker seeking a hidden angle, a biker documenting your rides, or a traveler collecting memories from the road, this compact 4K powerhouse is built to keep up. The Weou Compact Camera is not just an action cam, it's a window into adventure, precision, and storytelling freedom. It redefines what a mini camera can do, turning every daring moment into a vivid, lasting experience. Number 2. Ordro G730 Compact Camera. Step into the world of advanced vlogging and photography with the Ordro G730 Compact Camera, a device designed to turn every creative vision into reality. This 4K camcorder combines professional-grade performance with compact convenience, allowing users to capture breathtaking images and videos anytime, anywhere. With a Sony CMOS IMX415 sensor delivering 8-megapixel clarity and a 12x optical zoom lens, every shot comes alive with sharp detail and vibrant color. Whether you are filming a travel vlog, recording special moments, or experimenting with artistic photography, this camera makes every frame impressive and immersive. The 3.2-inch IPS touchscreen offers intuitive control over all settings, allowing for effortless adjustments even in challenging lighting conditions. Night vision functionality expands your creative possibilities, enabling crisp infrared captures when darkness falls. Manual and autofocus options ensure precise focus whether you are capturing a sweeping landscape or a close-up portrait, while the lens aperture range from 1.8 to 2.6 delivers beautifully balanced exposure and depth. Wide and telephoto focus ranges ensure flexibility for both expansive and detailed shots, making this camera ideal for photographers who demand versatility and precision. Video enthusiasts will be thrilled with the extensive recording capabilities. Shoot in 5K at 30 fps, 4K at 60 fps or 30 fps, 2.7K at 60 fps or 30 fps, and Full HD 1080p or 720p at multiple frame rates. Time-lapse videos, slow motion, and loop recording provide creative freedom, and WDR support maintains balanced exposure in complex lighting conditions. Integrated Wi-Fi allows seamless connection to the ODCam app for iOS and Android devices, making remote control and instant sharing simple and efficient. The Ordro G730 is built to handle demanding projects with confidence. Its lightweight body measures just 117 by 84 by 66 mm, and the NP180 battery provides reliable power for extended sessions. External storage up to 512 GB ensures you never run out of space for high-resolution files. The camera supports HDMI, USB Type-C, and 3.5mm microphone input, offering professional connectivity for live streaming, external audio, and rapid file transfer. From beginner enthusiasts to seasoned creators, this compact 4K powerhouse makes every photo and video opportunity accessible and exciting. The combination of cutting-edge technology, tactile controls, and extensive video capabilities elevates every recording session into a creative adventure, ensuring your memories and projects are captured in stunning detail. Number 1 and the winner is Insta360X4 Compact Camera. Step into a world where every angle is captured with breathtaking clarity with the Insta360X4 Compact Camera. This 8K waterproof 360-degree action camera is designed for adventurers, creators, and anyone who wants to record life from every perspective without compromise. Whether you're surfing, biking, hiking, or exploring urban landscapes, the X4 ensures that no detail is missed. Its dual image stabilization technology makes fast-paced action appear smooth and cinematic, transforming everyday experiences into extraordinary visual stories. Equipped with a Sony IMX377 sensor and capable of producing stunning 24-megapixel images, the Insta360X4 delivers exceptional clarity in both photos and videos. Record in 8K for immersive experiences or switch to 4K wide-angle video for dynamic storytelling. The camera's motion JPEG support allows high-quality recordings, while its advanced Umbrella A9 processor ensures seamless performance even during intense action sequences. The removable lens guards protect the camera in extreme environments, and the invisible selfie stick feature creates striking visuals without the distraction of equipment in the frame. The 2.5-inch touchscreen enhances control and usability, making it easy to adjust settings, preview footage, and navigate menus. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support offer effortless connectivity to your devices, enabling instant sharing, remote control, and live streaming. With night shot capability, your creativity isn't limited by lighting, capturing crisp, vibrant imagery even in low-light conditions. Memory expansion up to 512 GB ensures ample space for storing high-resolution photos and videos, keeping you ready for extended adventures. Weighing between 201 and 300 grams, this compact action camera is portable enough for any activity yet robust enough to handle demanding conditions. Its waterproof design allows you to capture underwater scenes without worry, while the removable and replaceable battery ensures extended recording sessions up to 135 minutes per charge. Every feature is crafted to provide flexibility, convenience, and exceptional performance for both amateur and professional creators. Whether documenting extreme sports, creating immersive vlogs, or capturing everyday life in a completely new way, the Insta360X4 turns every moment into a cinematic masterpiece. It combines portability, cutting-edge technology, and creative freedom into one compact, adventure-ready package. And there you have it, our top 5 best compact cameras. Each one offers a perfect balance of size, performance, and image quality, proving you don't need a bulky setup to capture life's best moments. So, which one caught your eye? Let us know your favorite in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and camera guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.